Do you want to enjoy maximum discount when you buy your hosting from Hostingr? Then you are at the right place, because in this video I will tell you step by step on how you can get amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostingr, specifically through my discount link. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now. Also in this video, I will tell you on how you can get as much as up to 91% off. Make sure to click on a link in the description to get this amazing discount at Hostinger. So now once you click on this link, you will be landed over here, and here you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, HostAdvice, WBeginner. All of them say that Hostinger is an amazing company. And the Trustpilot reviews are clickable, so I'm going to click and show you the real reviews of what people are saying regarding Hostinger. So let's wait a second to get it loaded. So now you may see that as much as up to 46,000 people have rated Hostinger, and some claiming 4.7 out of 5 is a very good rating. And the best thing is that you may see that recent reviews are 5-star reviews, but once in a while you may see 1-star or 2-star reviews as well. It's okay, not every company has 5 out of 5, but the best thing is that for any issues they are covering with 30 days money back guarantee, which is just amazing. And when I'm using it from the last years, and my experience so far with Hostinger is very good. These are the 3 most popular plan, and you're going to see that the discount is already running on all of the plans at Hostinger. But with my coupon code and tutorial, you're going to get as much as that to 91% discount, and I will tell you later on how you can claim it. So right now I want to tell you more regarding Hostinger and the features, specifically Hostinger Horizons, which turn your idea into reality. You just have to give the command, and it's automatically going to create your website, your web app or script or whatever you're going to say to it, and it's automatically going to create in minutes without writing even any code. Also, Hostinger has a free website migration service. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, so either you have a single website or 100 website, Hostinger team is going to shift all your websites that to free of cost within 24 hours or less than, in even as fast as within 20 minutes of shifting to Hostinger. And this is the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. Super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner or a newbie can use it without any practical training or knowledge. You can use it to manage your hosting. Hostinger also have local data centers all around the world, and you're getting full speed ahead and 24/7 support, which is just amazing. And now coming to security features, Hostinger has amazing security features, including automatic backups, SSL security certificates, and DDoS attacks prevention with the Cloudflare protected name server technology. And at this moment 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. And if you want to be the part of the Hostinger family, scroll above and choose any plan to get the further discount. So let's say we are going with this plan. See yourself, at this moment they are getting 75% off. Make sure to click on the link in the description. Now once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page, and on that page I'm going to tell you on how you can claim as much as up to 91% off. So make sure to click on my link in the description to enjoy this amazing discount at Hostinger. So now you may see that a special deal is running right now. So opt for the 48 months to save as much possible. Now because these prices won't appear again, and I want you guys to take the advantage of it, so take the advantage by selecting the 48 months. So you may see that you are getting free domain, 2 months free. Now right, they have a coupon code, and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this amazing discount coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here, and you're going to see that your price got a further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well which you can use to get this discount at Hostinger. So you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount. So let's say I'm going to use this coupon code. Now apply this coupon code, and you will see that your price got a further discount. Now with this coupon code, you may see your order summary over here. You are getting 48 months at 75% off, plus getting 2 months extra free, plus free setup, plus free domain, and 10% additional. Do your math, and you're going to get as much as up to 91% off. After this, simply select the continue. You may see over here that the 30 days money back guarantee is valid, so you can choose any plan over here. Now after this, they may ask you to log into your account, but since I'm already logged in, which is why I'm over here, so you may see my order summary over here, where so I'm getting all the discount over here, as much as up to 91% off. Now write your billing details over here and then move on to the continue. Once you write your billing details and move on to the continue, now selecting your payment method. Hostinger offer variety of payment methods. That is a very good thing regarding Hostinger. They may offer you card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So you have so many options to choose to do your payment. So the procedure is very quick. All you have to do is to pay, and within few minutes you're going to get email with all of your hosting details. So yeah, I hope you like the video. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get the amazing discount at Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting promotion. Good luck.